Another key ingredient to watch for is dextromethorphan. Dextromethorphan is a cough suppressant, and it is marketed as such in different cough syrups as well as multi-ingredient cough and cold remedies. It's important to know that dextromethorphan can interact with some medications, so you should ask your pharmacist or healthcare professional before trying this medication on your own. The studies we have on the efficacy of dextromethorphan are mixed, but there is no good evidence showing that it works any better than honey for a cough.